for this one. Thank you. And off the back, I think off the back is good. In the back? Off the back one? Not. Yeah, better. Okay, guys. Testing 1, 2. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. So, projector. Hi, guys. If you can hear me, say hi, David. So let me know you can hear me. Okay. Project. Testing 1, 2. Okay, let me see here to make sure that everyone can hear me here. Check on YouTube and check on the Discord today. Today is our crypto pathway again. David, DJ, Algo Plus, Algo Plus, Algo Plus. Okay, I saw Falcon, I saw Quick One and Dennis Fong here in YouTube's. Okay, how about the others in Discord? What Discord 7:30 about this timing is not so good. I don't know why is it so last people. Okay, so we go on the main stage. Why is it on the main stage? Okay, I saw Steven and Sunshine is responding. Sunshine is good. Hi, Adams. Hi, Buick. Okay, good. Everyone. Okay, guys, welcome back to Crypto Pathway. Once again, we are here in October. Okay, so when it comes to October, we are referring to Uptober. Okay, why is it October and October? What is different with why is it we name it as October? Because almost every month, I would say almost every month of October's right, it seems to go up in prices. Okay, let me go and type that October in crypto. Okay, let me go through and show every one of you here today. Okay. Let me see any example. Okay. So October start from to 2013, right? You can see here. Why so? Okay. Okay. Start from 2013, you can see what happened here is very obvious that seeing that during October, right, 2013 is up. Okay, during the bear market, 2014 is down. 2016, 2015 is up. 2017 is up. 2018 bear market is down. So up, 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 up. So which means that I would say in other month, other than like maybe on this February can see something similar. But other than that, October has the biggest price increase. Okay, this is why we always name it as October. So, yep. So when it comes to October, right, lots of people is having the same concept, a concept of like it is going to go up, isn't it? Okay, the potential is going up 70% and going down is 30%. So train for Falcon say train for high rocks. No, say bullshit, stupid high rocks. Hi Mala Salvi. Okay, hi Chris. Okay, we're gonna start. So, I mean, today, right? Right now, okay, for the crypto pathway, we'll make it quick to make sure everyone to go understand faster. Okay, straight to the point here today. Okay, so today we talks about Bitcoin. We are here in October, and I believe that most of the coin increase in prices, but some of them it still goes stagnant. For example, a Bitcoin goes up to 122. Last few days was all-time high again, 125K. Okay, but Ethereum 4,005 last few days, but right now it's 4,003. BNB went up a lot, 1,280. Okay, it's about 45% on its previous 30 days. Okay, but somehow, right, today we are here, right? Okay, Bitcoin goes up already, everything goes up already. How about the others coin? The others coin, like for example, we talk about Ethena, Sui. Sui doesn't really goes up, it goes sideways. Sui goes sideways. Hyperliquid right now goes sideways. Went down like $44 right now. Okay, so basically it is going lower in prices, but not increase in price. Okay, it's not increase in price. So you can see, right, based on such a graph, right, what you can see right now, it's Bitcoin dominance, it's here. Okay, except Mantle. Mantle went up to 250. This morning it's 280, which is really good. This is what buy Bitcoins. Okay, other than that, I would say nothing much. Okay. So when it comes to here, right, I want you all to study a bit on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Wait, why I thought, okay. Okay, what is Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance means that it is a dominant chart to telling you that Bitcoin is going to go higher in prices or higher in market cap rather than altcoin. So since July onwards, right, it becomes red in color. You know, the bull wave becomes red in color. Okay, when it becomes red in color, right, it went down straight away. So all the altcoin goes up like crazily until September 25, right, becomes uptrend again in DL for Bitcoin dominance. So it went up right now. So it is increased. So whenever the Bitcoin dominance is increased in prices, right, which means that people focus more in Bitcoin other than altcoin. That's why you can see most of the altcoin doesn't increase really in prices, but only Bitcoin increase in prices because Bitcoin dominance is increasing right now. So what should we do right now? For example, if it go according this history again, right? Which means that it's gonna goes up a lot, which means in these 2 months, Bitcoin is gonna go more than altcoins. Okay, but we can't just rely on such thing, you know. We're still in red color, so we can't just rely on one small history to think that it is already a fake rebound and it is going to go higher in prices. No such thing. So what I want to refer is about, yes, Bitcoin dominance is increasing, but what I can see, right, is temporarily. Okay, it's temporary, which means that we are trying to find a good place for us to buy more altcoin, but not too focusing in Bitcoin because Bitcoin, you want it to increase a lot, is a bit hard. It's really a bit hard. Okay, look at this. On January 2020, about this is the bear market. When the bear market comes in on 2022, so 2020 is bull market. When bull market comes in, right? Yes, Bitcoin will try to fight back once. Then after that, the whole 2021, the whole bull market dominance went down like crazy. So it seems that it's similar to here. Similar to here. So maybe Bitcoin gonna pump up back, but once crash down, I would say that it is all about alternate market. So when it's all about alternate market, right? Look back into Bitcoin right now. Okay, every time we refer is based on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin basically reaches almost a top already because the price, right? It's very hard for it to go higher and higher. Even though the support is very good, you can see that the support is very good. Based on trend line, you can see the support is still very good. Okay, but it's getting harder and harder to go up. So when it getting harder and harder goes up, right? Maybe it will form a red flag. What do you mean a red flag? A red flag, which means that this is called down flag. Wait, anyone know about this name? Anyone know about what is this chart names? This is called down wages, flag wages, something like that. Okay, I think this is even better. If you want to refer on that, I think this is even better. Okay, no one knows about the name. Come on, man. Let me check and see. Ascending triangle. Rising wage. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is not rising wage. This is called it's it is like the support is getting higher, and the support is getting higher and higher, but the resistance is getting closer and closer, which means that, right, the energy of it is getting low. So which means a lot of chances it becomes like this. Okay, it becomes like this, okay, like this, then until an end. If it breaks this trend line here, it is gonna crash. Got it? Okay. So this is the key. The key price right now is somewhere 100,000. Anything below 100,000, I would say bye bye already. Okay, anything below 100,000. Is that clear? That's the last support. Remember that we say the last support 100,000. Okay. So um based on what we see right now, right, we are still secure, we are still in green in color, doesn't matter. Okay, even though I would say last 2 weeks we did a wrong predictions, I would say a wrong predictions. Okay, very obvious wrong prediction because we believe that if it breaks below 109K for more than 1 day, okay, it will go lower. But it cheated me on the next day, it goes up back. Damn it. So it prolonged another one more day so that then after it goes up back. So I got cheated when it comes to here. How many of you got cheated? Let me know, please. Bearing wages. Thank you so much about the name. Okay. But right now, bull is still in green color. Bull wave is still in green color. So it doesn't matter. I would say if you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, anything stays above the green color, you can still buy. Okay, anything stays above the green color, you still buy. So if you're saying that David, you are saying that it is a bear wages. That is a day chart, which means that it is going to take some time to go sideways. When the more sideways it goes, maybe it takes another 1 to 2 months time before Christmas. Okay, this is what happened. If it's before Christmas, this is what happened, which means that there's a chances that altcoin can pump too, as long as this is going on side market. Okay, so someone asked me about David, Bitcoin dominance. If it's going down, which means that more altcoin it is going to go up, isn't it? Yes, but when Bitcoin dominance goes up, right, doesn't mean it is very good. Means maybe the price go down too, but altcoin go even lower. That's why most of the market cap go back to Bitcoin. That increase the Bitcoin dominance. Market is very funny that when market is very in real bull market, when everyone talks about bull markets, right, people will know that, okay, people will think about when real bull market, people will just put their money in altcoin because they want to earn more money. But when the bear market comes in, when the downtrend comes in, right, people are afraid by holding more altcoin because it is going to plunge crazily, maybe 30, 50%. So people move back their money to Bitcoin. That's going to increase Bitcoin dominance. Do you understand right now? So based on this concept, right, you really know that, hey, yeah, I know the concept how it works right now. So what should we do? That's the most important part. If you don't know what should you do, right, it's like a waste of time because we know the concept, but we don't know what to do, isn't it? So the best thing I would say, right, as long as the green wave is still green, okay, the blue wave is still green in color, you can just got in, doesn't matter. But if you're saying that, David, I'm still having a lot of coin in my hand right now, should I sell? I wouldn't recommend you to sell now until it breaks what? It breaks the trend line. I would say this is the last trend line that you need to know. This is really the last trend line. I'm saying that. Okay, good. Let me see. That's the first bottom price. You cannot base on that. Based on this one. Okay. Anything below the red color zone, 109,000. Still 109,000. Okay, still 109,000. I'll give you the first support right now is on Fibonacci. It's on 115K. After 15K is the first support, and the last support it's below this one, 109,000. Anything drops below this yellow line and this 109K, run. Don't think too much because it can be really painful. Got it? Is that clear, guys? Clear, type clear. For my side, right, every month, every 2 weeks, why you need to come into crypto pathway is about I will keep update everyone about the bottom price. So when you know about the bottom price and you know what is the buying price, right? So you know where to run. We are right now, every one of us, we are riding on a wave. Let's say there's a big wave comes into here. There's a big wave flow in right now. It's right for you to surf on it. But when you're surfing on it right now, I know some of you already have a lot of coins on your hand. But when there's a lot of coin on your hand right now, right, you are surfing on the wave right now. You don't know where to land. Okay, if you land wrongly, what happened? You're gonna fall into the oceans and you are gonna hurt yourself. But if you land perfectly, which means that you're gonna run through the wave itself, you'll reach your destination. Be very nice. Okay, but of course we can't land on the top. What we can do is about we know that when the wave slow down, when the wave is closing, you need to leave the wave already, which means that this is the reason why you need to be in my life every 2 weeks. So you just go and set the notification every 2 weeks on Thursday. Just lock it there to make sure that you understand that you know where is the wave should stop. I don't want any one of you here, right? Because you miss out the selling price and you buy more at the wrong price, it makes you lose money. Got it? Okay. Someone asked me about should we long then based on guys, do you think should long? If you talk about Bitcoin, I would say that you don't long right now because on double top and it's a W. I can say that you wait for a rebound point. It's somewhere between this 116,000. If you go for long, I wouldn't stop you. Okay, I wouldn't stop you if you go for long. Somewhere about 116. Your stop loss should be at the last support. A near stop loss is around 4.3%. This is a good price for you to go for a long if you want it, but not now. Okay, maybe you're gonna miss out, but fine, which is just okay for hold it. Okay, and because right now it looks like a W and you're at double top. Right now, when you're at double top, you need to be careful because you don't know what to do. Okay, I say why not just wait a while first and monitor and see. Okay, but if you say David, I want to have a long term one, right? I would say if you want to have a long term one, yes, this is the one. Okay, 6% of stop loss, and you're looking for something even higher, at least about 130,000 and above. Okay, it's more risk and reward. It's more worth it. 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. Okay, midterm trades. Because anything drop below this line, you know that it's going to end the end story, right? So why not you just take a short long here? I wouldn't stop you. Good. Is that clear, guys? If it's clear, type clear, let me know. Okay, so when it comes to next, Ethereums. Okay, when it comes to Ethereums, right? Okay, I congrats to everyone that buy Mantle and you make some money. So Mantle went up to 280. Okay, now this is perfect. I think this is perfect. Anything below 3950 is safe. Anything more than one day, so it doesn't have more than one day. Anything above 3950 is safe, so it goes very safe. Next day went up back. This is a very safe place, which means that it comes down. One day after that went up back, so it stays above 3950. Then it went up. Okay, Ethereum goes according to our way, but not Bitcoin. Bitcoin go one more extra day longer. That's just stupid. Okay, Bitcoin cheated my love, but Ethereum like it follows, so it went up back. Good. So right now we are at the top of the Ethereum again. Damn it, it's really damn it. But with Ethereum somehow it looks more like a ascending triangle. Let me see. Okay, good. Never mind. Let me try to do something like that. The current support price is at 4,165. So if you want to buy, you can buy at 4,002. It's still good for you to buy it in. And then If you want to go for a long trade, maybe you can trade like this. Okay, with a 10% stop loss, but you're looking for something even higher, like 5K, 1 to 1.5. This is a very long-term trade. I mean, few weeks trade lah. Okay. If the price go towards like 4,002, you can consider to go for long. Doesn't matter because as long as still green in color. Is that clear, guys? Good. Okay, this is a lot. You know, for David Young, we always focus on long term. I got no time to look at charts. I'm not Potato. I'm not Justin. I'm not Justin Teacher. I'm not Kingsley. They always like to all day trading. I don't like to do that because I'm a freaking lazy person. I'm fucking proud of it to be a lazy person. So got it. So for me, my trade very easy. Okay, maybe 1 month, one trade, that's all. Just put a trade, take the profit, and story. So some of you maybe don't know how to calculate, like, how David, if I want to put this trade, how much do I make? Very easy. If my stop loss is 10%, right? If my stop loss is 10%, okay, the previous low, okay, 10% is somewhere the price of 3,008. And my entry is 3,000, 4,002, right? My stop loss is about almost 11%, which means I will ask myself that, hey, how much am I willing to lose? If I'm willing to lose 10K, I put my stop loss is 10,000 of value. But when my take profit, it is 18%, 1 to 6.8. So I want to make 16,000. You need to know how to calculate that. You can try all the calculator in Bybit. So we are trading with risk and reward. When I win more than I lose. Okay, that's where. So I'm start calculating. If I lose 10,000. Fine, I put in 10,000. I forget about it. If it got, then got. But if it wins, I win 16.8 thousand, which is not bad extra income. So maybe once one trade. That's what I'm always do. But I always follow the trend. As long as it's green color, I go for long. I will never go for short, except it is red in color in the bear wolf, the bear wave. Okay. Then someone asking me, David, 1 hour is forming DU in Ethereum. Ethereum, I will not focus on Ethereum. I will not focus on the what happened. The MACD. I don't look at MACD. Okay, 1 hour right now. I don't see. Okay, yes, forming DU. If you can go for long, yes, but 1, 2, you can see it's even lower. Ethereum is very scary one, I tell you. So be careful. Nah, I wouldn't go for long. Depends on you, doesn't matter. For me, I would not focus on Ethereum. I'm not focused on Ethereum MACD because it's not workable. Totally, I don't believe in it. Got it? Okay. So thanks, Malasavi. Yes, I'm always on standby for the live. Yes, thank you so much. Today I make sure that they update everyone because now my live will be 30 minutes earlier because next round I'll be after because this live is 30 minutes, then after that I will go focus on the Vietnam. I'm having another live in Vietnam. I don't speak Vietnamese, but there's a translator there. Okay, there's some student there to cover. Long Ethereum and Solana. Solana no recommended. Ethereum I wouldn't stop you because I already given you 4,002 you can long. But Solana is like very bad. I don't know why 223. Wait, let me see. I think Solana it's on what is the trend? I mean, let me see. It's on no. I wouldn't touch Solana right now because look at the Fibo price. It is at the price of. Damn, you already missed already. You already missed already. Yeah, lor. Long at 217 is good, but you already missed out already. So the next long should be at the price of 208. If you're long at 208, I wouldn't stop you. $208. Got it? $208. You can long. Safe. Clear? So if you say you want to long at $208, right? I would say yes. 208, 209, 210, both all are good. Your stop loss, please. I would say somewhere. I don't see a support here. A small stop loss. Risky. It's quite risky. If you say you want to go for long term, right? Yeah, 10% stop loss is good. Then you go fight for something that it breaks the previous high, which is we can get 1 to 1. Currently, you can focus on 1 to 1 also. 10 are still manageable because you're trading with trend, right? Acceptable. Okay. But this one don't put too much money in it. I would say this one the target price I'm not so confident with it. More confident with Ethereum, but not this Solana. But every time when I say not confident enough, right, that will hit my TP one. Good. Next, any questions? So you know the plan already. For my life, right? Normally crypto pathway you just focus on the bigger trend, so we know what to do. You know what spot you need to do. Okay, if you say that David, I want to buy more coin right now, what price should I buy and what coin should I buy? I would say why not? You just focus on a coin that increase a lot right now, like BNB. I don't know why BNB increased a lot. Okay, people always say that you don't be FOMO, but I'm telling you, FOMO means that the coin will trend. FOMO means when the coin plumb up for one day, you don't focus on the same day. You focus on next day when it goes sideways, you try to think about it, whether it's worth for you to buy it. That is what FOMO. FOMO means you do it on the same day. But BNB is really raised up for like freaking many days. It's about 7 days ago, so which means that it's very stable already and it stands at 1002. So if you want to play with it, I wouldn't stop you for playing with it. And also mental. Mental, if you want to continue, go ahead, then go ahead. I got the most is mental right now. Thanks to Ben, right? Those that follow my Instagrams. He say it will pump, so I buy a lot. So which is good. But I also bought Hyperliquids. Okay, I bought it at 44. And it's right now it's still 44. Damn it. That day it went up to 52. I didn't get to sell it. I'm still holding right now. So Sui. I bought it some Sui too. It goes sideways too. Okay, and some Solana it goes sideways too. I bought it like 220 or so, about the same price. This is when the last drawdown and comes up back, then only I bought it. Some. That's my portfolio right now. Got it? Bitcoin, of course, yes, not much. Mostly right now in Mantle. Then someone asking me, David, why Mantle? Because Bybit took back Mantle to becomes their token in Bybit. And the secondly, it's about you can see OKX. It's called OKB. It went up a lot. Okay, OKB went up a lot. And the next one, it's about cool coin called Q coin. KCS. KCI went up a lot also. So these are the exchange token. Exchange tokens, right? Now this is quite strong, so we can look at it. Okay. And what else? KCS, KuCoin, Mentos, by BNB. Oh, BGB. BGB, thank you. BGB, right? That day 573. He told me they want to hit $10. But I sold it at $6 $6.30 that day. But I didn't buy back yet. Big get token. Depends on you. Depends on how much mental can go. They say they can go up to $20. But I don't believe $6 I'm happy enough. Honestly. $6 I'm freaking happy. I bought it at $1. Good. BGB I wouldn't focus on BGB yet. I don't know. I'm not a full big yet fan. Okay. Any questions? No questions. You can end the class here. Happy bull markets. We are left with only 2 more months. So I'm hoping that everyone you're gonna make great money here. Okay, it's the bull market is ending soon. I don't know. Honestly, I'm be very honest to you. It's about I don't know when is the bull market when is the bear market comes in. So we are riding on wave. We are riding on wave. As long as the wave got no energy, we run. Okay. When the wave got no more power, we run. That's all. Okay, I'm not a predictor, I'm not a forecast. I read news, but I don't focus in news because news is always affect my emotional. Okay, people say that David, why you don't talk more about news, about fundamental, know about ETF is coming, Solana ETF is flowing in, so most likely for Solana will pumps up. Yes, but how you know guarantee it will approve? You don't know. It's more about your luck and your prediction skill. So when so many things to predict, right? Why not just focus on graph? That's what my thought. There's no wrong or right. So it depends on you. It really depends on you. But most likely it's about I already did it for 3 cycle. Every cycle run at the end of the cycle. I don't know this cycle. This cycle definitely wouldn't you wouldn't see like it gonna crash like 90%, no such thing. Maybe 40 to 50% is good enough for you to buy back some coins. The whole market you need to keep on turn around, turn around, turn around. That's what happened inside in stocks market. But when it comes to crypto, it's the same also. We are still in finance market. So I would don't be over optimistic thinking that this is the future. Profit is considered profits when you withdraw. Okay? But of course you got some portion you want to keep until forever. No problems. Lah. Some of us like that Justin here, he having a portion of Bitcoin that keeping for his son. It's about 30 years after that. 20 years after that. Why not? There's a saving. So a portion for trading, a portion for swing trading, a portion for saving. There's no right or wrong. Maybe swing trading even less than the one that you keep. But for me, my life is like I don't know what happened tomorrow. I don't know what happened next month. Why not just cash out some money to use first? So everyone have different thoughts. No right or wrong, isn't it? I don't want to be like my dad that saving his money for more than decades of the years ends up there is savings, but they don't spend. Okay. Someone asking me about do you think the bull will stretch to next January to February? Bro, what's his name is this? BBC 2212. Sorry. I don't guess seriously. Just let it flow first. Okay, maybe can stretch until middle of the year. We don't know. Correct or not? People say Bitcoin can go at least 150 or at least 135,000, but right now it's only 125. So maybe it goes higher. People can say whatever they want. Okay, whether yes or no, we don't know. People always say that Bitcoin can go up to 1 million. Yes. When? You say, what, by 2025, Bitcoin can become 1 million? Fuck. Bullshit. I mean, yeah, 1 million. No, I don't think so. But of course, Bitcoin can go higher in time because all the ETF, everyone pumps money into it. Yeah, yes, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, the state is already all into Bitcoin to play around with the finance market to make sure the economy comes to raise up back to. They want to be the dominance back. So no, nothing wrong or right. Who wins the war? No one knows yet. But what we can do, we have so many people. Even though today I hold more than 10 millions of dollars, I'm still so freaking mini. Like nobody. We are not here to play around economy with them. We are just standing beside the economy, trying to loot out some return. Got it? That's us. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and see you next 2 weeks. Remember my base price, those that came in late, right? You need to go watch back what price I've told you, what price below 108,000 sell everything. Then after that, if you want to go for long, 160, 150, you can go for long with 10% of stop loss going for 130,000. Yeah. Okay. Good. Stick with it. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.